We'll clean up the old lady's in bed. It's like 11 o'clock at night. We'll clean her car out for her. She's mad because my buddy Josh did a job and it left it a mess. We'll open the old Ridgid shop back up and give it a whirl and see how it runs and see how it does, and give it a little review. Dual flex locking hose, all a few accessories. Let's see what all we got here. Attachments. Make it longer. Does it not have wheels?
Does it not come with wheels? Oh, there we go.
Is it sack of casters? Alright. We put it together, huh? Oh, it even comes with the book. I mean, looks basically brand new to me. Your purchase online, $88. You can't beat that. I think I gave $60 for the one that got stolen at the pawn shop. I mean, that's what I gave for it at the pawn shop. It was definitely a lot more beat up. It wasn't this nice, I don't think. I have to read it, see how to use this thing, huh? I just want to get her hooked up and see. And I got all that car vacuum stuff somewhere. That's probably going to be the car vacuum head too, isn't it? We'll fire her up for you with the casters on it. Sit down on it. And it's home. There we go. Sitting on something over here. Just not going in its groove. Did I have it on backward maybe? Might have been what it was. Right. So let's land on. Nope, down here. I turned it over on its head.
It's a turtle. Flip it back over.
Yeah, look how new it is, man. That must be like a store return or something. Josh took it and went and did a job and just didn't clean it up when he got done. This is all like wood. I'm telling you, it tastes like a car wash vacuum. Totally worth it. Never have to go to a car wash again to vacuum a car. See how quick and painless it made that? That thing works pretty good. We definitely got a lot of cars to details. Still trying to get the motor out of the 06 Monty. So we got out the butane torch, we're heating them up. Metal expands, so let's hope that works.